Hello, all you beautiful people. How you doing here today? This is Love Temptress, and welcome back to the Gaming Dynasty channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. Hi! So today I'm coming to you with another humble bundle that just came out today. This one is called Best Trips and Travel in the US. It is by Lonely Planet, and of course it is a book bundle. So who needs a tour guide? Explore the forests, cities, mountains, and unique destinations of the US with the travel experts at Lonely Planet. This is a bundle that runs all the way through May 23rd. All these files do come in EPUB files, so they're pretty easy to use because they can be used on pretty much any device. It does have 3 tiers of the bundle, so the first tier is going to be just $1, and you get New England's Best Trips. Now, what do you actually get in these, though? Well, here it doesn't actually say too much, although it does say featuring 32 amazing road trips plus up-to-date advice on the destinations you'll visit along the way. You can enjoy the soaking peaks and lush valleys of the White Mountains, or explore maritime history on a tour through Maine, all with your trusted travel companion. Get to New England, rent a car, and hit the road. So, gives you a little bit of the author and everything, but a lot of people don't know this, but if you click, it can actually help you discover a little bit more. So this takes you to the Lonely Planet website. Now, if you want to find the specific one you're looking for, like New England's Best, and of course that didn't pop it up because I went to the wrong thing. What you want to go to is, I did this before, to the books. That's where you want to go. Then it has the guide here, and here's where you can search. So it's New England's Best Trips. So you just search the name of the one you're looking for. In this case, it's this one right here. So it tells you the ebook price. Now, I did a compilation list for you, so you don't have to look each and every one of these up unless you want to, but it does give you a little bit more information of exactly what you're going to be getting in this. So there's that. All right, so, and of course you can click on view the PDF preview. So, New England's Best Trips is normally $16.09, and then we have Route 66 road trips, which is normally $9.09, and Pacific Coast Highways, which is also normally $9.09, which makes the total value of this first tier of $34.27. So next we have the middle tier, and you notice if we switch up here, the price automatically adjusts for whatever the price is. So this one is $10. And to start off with, we have Southwest USA Best Trips. It is $16.09. I wanted to see, one of these did say, yeah, see, some of these actually give you a little bit more information. I'm going to lose my mind because I don't remember exactly which one, but one of them did say it did update based off of post-pandemic 2020, updated to call and see if all the places are still open. So, seems like most of them are up to date. But anyway, we have Southwest USA's Best Trips. It is normally $16.09. Best of California, it is, I'm guessing $16.09 because this one only shows the printed book price. So I'm going off based of what most of the ebooks are. Then we have California's Best Trips, and this one I also guesstimated at $16.09. Then we have Best of Hawaii 2. This one is guessing $17.49. Couldn't find this one actually at all on their website. Then we have Florida, which is $17.49, which is why I based the Hawaii price off of. Then we have Los Angeles, San Diego, and Southern California. This one is normally $15.39. And the other ones are from the first tier. So that brings the total so far, which you're only going to pay $10 if you choose this tier, to $132.91, which is already such an amazing value. If you're looking to go doing some sightseeing, these might be something you might want to pick up. Then we have the last tier, which is only $18, which even for the middle tier is already such a great value. But this adds 10 more books. So USA's national parks, and this one I believe is, or not. We'll find it one of these days. USA's national parks, which is normally $17.49. The Pacific Northwest best trips, excuse me. And this one is normally $16.09. Southwest USA, this one is normally $17.49. Then we have Washington, Oregon, and the Pacific Northwest. That one is normally $17.49. Then we have USA's best trips. This one is normally $17.49. Then we have Lonely Planets, Best of the USA. This one is normally $17.49. Eastern USA, which is normally $17.49. Western USA, which is normally $17.49. Florida and the South's best trips. This one is normally $16.09. And New York and the Mid-Atlantics. This one is also normally $16.09. Now, it's really going to drive me nuts. Let me pause for a second. Didn't have to pause too long. It was the next one on the list looked at. Best of California. So it says up-to-date information. All businesses were rechecked before publication to ensure that they are still open after 2020's COVID-19 outbreak. So that is actually very nice to know. And it has full color images. Full color something. It's been a long day. Sorry. But yes. So it does seem like all these don't say it, but it does seem like they do try to keep them somewhat updated. And again, you can see more information here, and you can click and go to the website to see a little bit more information on each and every one of these. But if you're looking at traveling at all, I think this is such an amazing deal. And of course, that brings our total value to $303.61, which makes me wonder why they say $435. I have no clue on that one. So maybe on my guesstimated ones, I was completely off. But they're actually for the printed books. So I don't know if I'm wrong or if Humble's wrong, but that's what happened. I try to get you all the information, even though I am a Humble partner. I give you all the honest feedback. All right, so why does it have this different amounts here? Because sometimes you want to pay a little bit more. Why? Because every Humble bundle you buy always supports a charity. So in this case, it is for One Tree Planted. And you can always read more about your charities and all that great information. So if you wanted to pay more, you can go and adjust your donation. It's always set to a default. Now this has lava here because I used my affiliate link, my partner link. But you don't have to do that. You can go straight to humblebundle.com. Or if you don't want to give me anything and you clicked on my link on purpose, accident, whatever, you can actually just lower it. So if you want to do that, that is fine too. Humble has it built in where they get a default lowest amount, which is great. They got to stay in business. But you can also choose to give more to the publisher, Lonely Planet, or if you wanted to give more to One Tree Planted, which in this case is the charity. So there's all that beautiful information for you. All right, let me know what you think of this bundle. I think it's pretty cool. I, however, don't plan on traveling at all this summer because I have a lot of stuff I have to do in the local area that's not going to let up anytime soon. But if you're looking at traveling or just want to take a look at it because, it's only $18, then I highly suggest checking this out. All right, that's it for today. Thank you all for being here. This is Lava Temptress. Until next time, don't get burned.